Hello guys, this is a gold analysis for Monday. As we all know, we've seen a low of 1893, pushed back up to 1912, rejected, came back down to 1900, and we saw a big push above 1912, broke that, continued up towards 1917, broke that as well, and even wicked above 1921, which rejected, came back down, touched this level low here. Another candle formed, tried to break it, couldn't break it. Another candle formed, retested this area here, pushed back up, couldn't break this high. Another candle formed, created the low here, tested this area, tried to push back up, but of course there was no volume. It was a Friday. A lot of things could have happened, but we don't know. At the moment, to me, it seems like a support is forming here. It could be a support, or it could be a consolidation. A lot of things can happen. That's why I've left this area as no trade range. So what we'd want to look for is, we'd want to look for a break above the 1921 area. So if you ask me, should I buy here or should I sell here? My answer to you would be, I would wait for a break. Retest, and then continuation up towards the 1930 area here. Also, the opposite can also happen. The market candle, the hour candle currently stands here. So at this moment in time, what can happen is it can still test this high, break this low, retest this low, and continuation down towards 1912 or even lower. So these are the two things that can happen, but for the time being, it's all about being patient. Just wait for the market to give you confirmation before you enter. So far it's looking good. But another thing I wanted to mention is, bear in mind the weekly candle is looking a bit suspicious, to say the least. Let's remove these candles here. The arrows. Look at that weekly there. That is a huge rejection of the 1893 area. So a lot of things can happen, so we need to be very careful. But I know for a fact that there will be some retracement coming down here, but on a longer term, I think it could possibly be breaking the 1930 area and even go above it. It could even go above it to even 1960. But let's see what happens. Currently we're just reacting off based on what we're seeing, so it's not a big deal. We'll trade as the market presents us with opportunities and confirmations. But as for now, just be patient, wait in the no trade range, and either wait for 1970 to break or 1922. 1922 break will take you to 1930. 1917 break will take you to 1912 and below. And that's about it. Let me know what else you want to know, and I'll try my best to share some feedback.